Okay, finding the area of this triangle. First thing we notice is that the 83 degrees is actually not an included angle. An included angle must lie between two known sides. So we have 5.7 centimeters, 9 centimeters, but the angle between them is not known. So we cannot use the formula for the area of a triangle. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to do a few sort of intermediate steps first before we even get to using the formula for the area of a triangle. But what we can do is that what we've noticed here is that we do have a side angle pair. So a known side angle pair, that is. So we have 9 centimeters opposing the 83 degrees here. We have a known side 5.7, but if we can find out what this angle alpha is then it's not a big deal then, obviously using angle sum of a triangle to work out what this angle is here. So that's angle theta there. Okay, so let's start off then by finding angle alpha, and then by that we can then find angle theta and then apply the formula for the area of a triangle. Okay, that's the half AB sine C. Okay, probably from this point on, if you want to stop the video, you may do so and then answer the question for yourself, but I'll just continue on. Okay, let's find the alpha first. So sine of alpha on 5.7. Okay, so this is by the sine rule because we have a known side angle pair, is equal to sine of 83 degrees over 9. Alright, moving the 5.7 over, we have sine of alpha is equal to 5.7 times sine of 83 degrees over, turn that into a times there, over 9. Alpha is then equal to inverse sine, okay, because we want alpha to be the subject of the formula. 5.7 times sine of 83 degrees over 9. Alright, so I'm going to answer this one to the nearest minute. Okay, it's not good to round too much, obviously, throughout the working out. In fact, it's best to use exact form where possible. But I think for all intents here, I think it's good enough that we can round to get the angle alpha to the nearest minute. Okay, so inverse sine of 5.7 times sine of 83 degrees over 9. Okay, and close bracket there. And we end up with 38 degrees and 57 minutes. Okay, hence theta is equal to, okay, so 180 degrees minus 83 minus the last answer, and that's going to be 58 degrees and 3 minutes, which makes sense. All that's up to 180 degrees, angle sum of a triangle. Now we can apply the angle, that angle alpha in the formula for the area of this triangle. So half AB times sine of C. Okay, let's fix that there. Which equals half times, now the A and the B is 5.7 and 9 in any order, times the sine of C, and sine of C is 58 degrees and 3 minutes. Okay, and so we got 0.5 times 5.7 times 9 times sine of 58 degrees and 3 minutes. Okay, and we have 21.764. Okay, and then rounding that to the, I think it was to 1 decimal place, I believe, yep. So 21.8 square centimeters.